Welcome to the Windows Club. If you encounter the blue screen error with the error code 0xc000000F on your Windows computer, then either read through this article on the Windows Club or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now these resolutions need to be done in the advanced options menu, which you would open after rebooting your system in the advanced options state. However, for the sake of this example, we will show it in the normal command prompt window here. First of all, we need to rebuild the BCD. The commands are mentioned here. All you need to do is either copy paste them or type them in the elevated command prompt window and hit enter. After this, you need to run the CHKDSK Scan. For this, copy the command mentioned here and paste it to the elevated command prompt window, or if you're not able to log in, then you will have to type it yourself. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.